Look at this. He's my son. He's playing something. Look at this thing. What is this? It's maybe you can see the parrot. মানে প্যারটটা তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ. There is a cage. Cage মানে কি? Cage মানে হচ্ছে খাঁচা. So the parrot inside the cage and he is flying inside the cage. মানে প্যারটটা এখন আছে মানে খাঁচার মধ্যে and he is flying মানে উঠছে, he is playing মানে খেলছে. You can see this place is amazing place. This cultivated land is amazing. There is a planting is now the season is wheat planting মানে গমের সময়. There is a many cultivate land over there. Many birds are flying in the sky. সুন্দর একটা মৌসুম right now and look at over there. Look at the sun is setting. সূর্যটা ডুবে যাচ্ছে and this horizon is looking so beautiful. And right now I am shooting a video for you. আমি একটা তোমাদের জন্য ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি for improve spoken English every one of you, তোমাদের সবারই জন্য. And you look at this. He's my son. He is playing something. Look at this thing. What is this? It's maybe some. And look at me right now. এখন আমি গাড়ি চালাচ্ছি. I am riding a motorcycle and my son is sitting behind me. আমার ছেলে আমার পেছনে বসে আছে for shoot this ভিডিওটা শ্যুট করার জন্য. and my son is helping me. আমার son এখন আমাকে আমার ছেলে মানে ও সাহায্য করছে for shoot a video. So without any help I cannot make a video. মানে আমি হেল্প ছাড়া আমি ভিডিও বানাতে পারবো না. That's why my son is helping me for a shoot a video. And my son is very excited as well as I am very excited right now. And many people are passing by. মানে অনেক মানুষ যাচ্ছে আমার পাশ দিয়ে. Look at him. He is my elder son. So his age is going to be 7+ and he is very naughty. I am trying to learn him. I am trying to teach him English sentence, but he doesn't try to learn English sentence at all. So I hope I will teach them good. মানে ভালো ইংলিশ শেখাবো আমার আশা আছে একটা.